Hi everyone! As you all probably already know, our group's community project is about birds. And it's about birds because of the bird sanctuary in Edinburgh. We came up with 3 educational activities for our students to do. And we're concentrating on the lower grade level students, so probably kinder. And our first activity is a sensory activity. It's a lot of touch and hands-on, and it's very simple. All they do is, well, first of all, we'll be talking about birds and the bird food chain and what birds eat, and birds eat worms and seeds. So in this tin, we have brown paper, confetti paper, and we have different birds to stimulate their environment. And then we also have pipe cleaners in different shades. And we have 3 flower pots in the corners. And what the students do is they're going to sort by color the different colors of worms, the bird's food. So, for example, if I'm a student and I grab this worm, it's orange. Oh, orange goes here. This one is green. Green goes here. Here's a yellow worm. Yellow goes here. Great activity, hands-on, and it's touching colors, so that touches another educational aspect. A second project that we have is students will make their own birds out of toilet paper rolls, and they can get as creative as they want. They can draw on them, or you can have them wrap them in construction paper. And before you do that, you want to cover both sides with rice sealed on the inside. And what this activity is supposed to do is supposed to show that what birds contribute to our community is, or one of their main cons or pros that they contribute to our community is they release their seeds that they eat, and it falls on the floor, and then it sprouts out into a plant. So they are very good for distribution. So the students, once they get their birds all situated and all creatively put together, they can go over this sensory bin and they can fly their birds. And this is a great way for students to see how the seeds are dispersed, or how seeds are dispersed while birds are in flight and while they travel. That's our second academic activity. And our third academic activity also has to do with the food, what birds eat and the food cycle. And so what it is we're going to make our own bird feed. It's very simple. The students can participate in it, and they're gonna love it. They're gonna have fun. They're gonna get they're gonna get dirty, but it's not messy, so it's enjoyable for you and for the kids. All you do is mix sunflower seeds, half a cup of flour, half a cup of water, and then a tablespoon of honey. They get in there, they make their own batch, and then you divide them into little circles similar to cookies, and you leave them overnight to dry. The next day they'll be dried, and what you can do is you can put them on a yarn or a string, and then you can take them outside and you can lay them on the bushes or on the trees, and they can have their very own little bird viewing party. So that's our third academic activity. All of these activities are really good for ELL students because they're hands-on. They can visually see, which will help if they're not exactly at the top of the language proficiency or language acquisition tier. So thank you so much for watching.